everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is March 18, 2020, making today a Wednesday. Today we're gonna be analyzing the week of March 16 to the 20, where I gave you these pairs on Sunday. Saturday was the pre-week where I usually release it, 3 pairs, and then I release the full analysis on Sunday. For the rest of the week. So hopefully today's will be very interesting. If you have any question, please let me know. And all I'm asking you guys to do is, if you have any comments, please comment below. Okay, so I will be here. I have some seniors as well. I have Andrew here that if I cannot help you, probably he can answer any question that you may have. All right, so hopefully that will help you out. So we're gonna start with let me remove this first. Let me go back here. We're gonna start with USD versus our Swiss francs. Pay attention what I'm doing here, guys. Pay attention, it's very neat. So look at the time frame that I'm using. What do you think I'm using here? What do you think? This is the time, guys. Let me bring something real quick, guys. I think I messed up something, but let me check. Yep, I think yes, we are okay. So all right, let me go ahead and highlight the time frame that I'm using today. Look at this. I'm always use 4 hours. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna do what? I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. Look at that. Market almost did exactly what I told you, and then it took off. If you would have a trailing stop, there's no way that this would have stopped you out. Pay attention here. Let's see how many pips. Let's say you would have had 20-40 pips trailing stop, market would have paid you well. But look at that. For some reason this froze up, but anyway, look at that. There's no way you would have lost this one. Market would have reversed and would have hit your trailing stop, and you wouldn't be out of the game. But I mean, I believe this was a great one. Look at that. From here to here was 165 pips, guys. That's a lot of pips. I was expecting the market to hit the 23 Fibonacci line, but 123 pips is a lot. It's a lot, guys. I mean, look at that. But the question is, why is the market behaving as a bullish, guy? Pay attention. Pay attention. Look at what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is clearly telling us the market is what? What do you think it's doing? I know some of you are new, but exactly look at what the market is telling us the market is doing. Market is telling us bullish. Exactly is what the triple arrow is performing. It's not it's that simple. Like I said in the beginning, you know, my 12 years old son know how to do this stuff just by watching me when I do the 101 with you guys. In case you didn't know, I do the 101. If you want me to help you, just send me a private message. And look at that. It's doing perfectly what I told you. Alright. So if you have any question, please drop any question below. If you want me to go over of any other pair that I didn't analyze on Sunday. So we're gonna go to our next pair. We're gonna go ahead and analyze AUD versus our CHF. What are you guys doing on that particular pair, guys? All right, let's see what Dave say here. Dave says it's a H4, correct? Jimmy says it's a H4, correct? I don't know if you guys are new in here. In case you are new, please comment, type number 1 so we all know that you are new, and so maybe Andrew can also help you out. Okay, pay attention on Australian dollar versus our Swiss francs. Look at the time frame that I always use. Let me re-highlight that one so you can also see it, because I want everyone to know that when you start doing your analysis on the larger time frame, you're always gonna be more successful. You always will be more successful. But if you start doing your analysis on 50 minutes, 30 minutes, then you will have problem, guys. I don't like when people start sending me messages. Irving, can you take a look at it on 50 minutes? I start doing the analysis on 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. That's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. I always, it's just, don't blow your account. Andrew, what can I say? How can I explain it, Andrew? Look at this. People usually do the analysis on 15 minutes. The way how I do my guys is I always do my analysis. I always use 4 hours daily. Let me bring the arrow so you can see it. Because this is, it make it, look at that. I always use 4 hours. I use daily, I use weekly, and then I use monthly. That's how I perform my stuff. But I never ever use the lower time frame. I use the lower time frame only to enter on the market, and that's when you collect your hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips, guys. Damn simple. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. But anyway, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was still not ready. It was still dropping 1 or 2 or 3 more candles before it does a reversal. But look at what the market did. Market gave you more pips than what I told you. I mean, that's what you're here for. You're here to collect those hundreds and hundreds of pips. Look at what Andrew says. No way. 4 hours daily and weekly. I mean, that's perfect. I love that time frame, guys. That's a really good time frame in there. And in my opinion, guys, another thing that I want to let everybody know, don't just trade on somebody else's opinion. Do your own analysis. Look, I'm coming here every Saturday and Sunday. I drop up the videos and everything. Go back to your chart. Look at what we're using. We're using triple arrow system. So if you are new and you never had the triple arrow system, the link is below. Take a look at it, and if you want to join, it's fine. It's not, it's fine. So, but I mean, this game is super easy only if you respect the rules of how to trade the triple arrow, because it's nothing hard. It's no rocket science. My 2 kids know how to do this. All right, pay attention here. This went against us, which is fine. It's fine. So we got 2 out of, we analyzed 3 so far. Look at what I said on Sunday. I said the market from that particular area was looking to drop down, retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Well, it just went against us. Remember, the whole world is going to a panic mode right now. So I mean, in this business, unfortunately, you have to lose one way or another. If you don't lose today, you will lose next week. But I mean, that's how it is. So it's just, but now the question is, what do you think the market is behaving this way, guys? What do you think? Look at that. Look at the pair that we're looking here. We're looking on the euro versus our New Zealand dollar. Again, we are analyzing 4 hours. Market here is still bullish. They're very strong. All right. What question do you got? Do you guys have any question? All right. We got Frederick here. Say hi. What's going on? What's going on? Any news? If you are not new and you are a veteran, you should know all this stuff. But I mean, my job here is to come in and give you a hand and be your guy. But remember, guys, I also do the one-on-one. If you want me to teach you that is fine. Send me a private message and I can take my time. It usually take over an hour. You will see the market completely in a different point of view. But sometimes you have to invest in yourself. All right. Could the triple arrow fail on one also? What do you mean with your question, Frederick? I don't understand your question. All right. So let's see what RSI group says. Based on the market condition, I will be scalping more. Sure. I mean, do whatever works for you guys. But you have to find your niche. In this business, you have to find your niche. Because remember, we are 4 different coaches. Everyone's teaching a different way. Look at how I have my chart here. I don't use much indicator. I just use only what you see. Clean and basically naked. It's triple arrow all the way. In my opinion, that's what you pay for it. That's what you be trading. Why will you be trading a different platform? But look, pay attention to this one. Look at it on the GBP versus our Canadian dollar. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I don't think on Sunday in this particular pair, the market was giving us a triple arrow yet. Market was not fully ready yet on Sunday. You can go back, put side by side my video, pay attention, because I don't come here to lie. I'm just come here so I can teach you exactly how to read the stuff. And I hate making it up, guys. I really do. Let me send this link to my brother. I want my brother to learn. I want everyone also to learn. Anyways, freebie, right? But this is pretty damn simple, guys. Look at what I told you. I clearly said on Sunday, the market, I'm pretty sure the triple arrow is not fully ready there yet. But now pay attention what the market is doing. Market drop based on my analysis. What did I tell you on Sunday? I said the market was still gonna be dropping 1 to 3 more candles before it does a small correction. Look at what it did. It retests exactly what I told you. You are here watching me. You are here watching me. I ain't making this anything up. Market did exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. And then it came in and almost retest the area that I told you. Look at that. How many pips is that? Remember, always trade with trailing stop, guys. I don't care what you're gonna be doing on the market. And bottom line here is you have to trade based on what the triple arrow is doing. Look at that. I knew it was gonna be a short pullback, and then the market, I didn't want to tell you yet from that point on the market was gonna reverse. But let me give you a hint. Actually, I don't want to talk too much, but there's more into it, because if I start explaining you a bit more, look at that, 322 pips, guy. That's a freaking massive move in there. Look at that. If you would have had 40, 60 pips, the market would have paid you exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. You tell me if I'm making this up. Exactly what I'm telling you. Do you guys have any question here? Any question? All right, Vicky says, when do you enter the trade when the third arrow appears? No, Vicky, that's not how you do it. I don't know if you had Dama 101, Vicky. That's not how you do it. I'm sorry. I have a set of rules that I use, and I trade very religiously my rules. I just don't trade every triple arrow I see, because you have to have confirmation. One, you need to know which direction is the market going. Two, you need to know if the triple arrow is going with the trend. Three, you need to know if it's a triple arrow pullback. If so, you need to have more verification with all the time frames. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense, Vicky. I'm not trying to be mean, nothing like that, but I'm just trying to help you out one way or another, okay? Alright, so let me go and see what Frederick says. I could see Euro NCD went against your projection. That is why I asked, and the triple arrow could be a fail. No, it's not. No, it's not, Frederick. Obviously, just because the triple arrow is here doesn't mean triple arrow is God. I'm sorry. Triple arrow, it help us. It just, there will be some trades that is gonna go against us. But triple arrow is a beast, guys. It's a beast. It's a beast. Alright? You're welcome, Vicky. You're welcome. Ask more questions. Take your opportunity that I'm here. Alright? So I'm here to help you out. So this is your opportunity to ask as many questions as you can. I usually keep this video under 1 hour, guys, and I don't mind. We can go as long as you want, but my goal is to make sure that at the end of this session you guys understand how to trade this stuff. All right, now let's go to our Australian dollar versus our Canadian dollar. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I clearly told you that I always trade on what time frame. Basically I do my analysis on one time frame, 4 hours. Look at what I said that the market was gonna do on Sunday. I said the market was gonna what? It was gonna still drop, before it does a more correction. But look at what the market did. Market dropped dramatically and it's still bearish. That's what you're here for. You're here to grab these pips. I don't know how you guys trading, guys. I really don't know. But sometimes, and remember, guys, these are not signals. Okay, these are just an educational videos for you to understand how the triple arrow works. But pay attention who was in charge all the time. Always pay attention, guys. Never ever discredit what the triple arrow has. Triple arrow clearly was telling the market was bearish. See, it was clearly telling the market was bearish. And guess what, guys? Go back and do your analysis however you want it. Pay attention, even with all this scenario that is going on with the world. Pay attention what the triple arrow is doing. Pay attention to your master trend. Master trend usually goes with the trend. All this move, high move, is still working with the trend. It's very amazing. This is what I usually teach you guys. I mean, it's up to you. You guys can, don't go there, please. They're working on it. I have some contractor here in my house working on the kitchen. So I just told my son to don't go interrupt them. Alright, so, alright, let's go ahead and move on to our next one. Do you guys have any question? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and analyze GBP NCD. Look at the time frame again. I'm saying it's freaking 4 hours. Do we have any Spanish speakers here? Any Spanish speakers? Andrew said, alright Andrew, thank you Andrew, appreciate that. Andrew's a beast here, guys. I don't know if Lois, I think Lois used to be here, but for some reason I guess he's too busy. But look at here, look at the freaking 4 hours, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at that. F4, H4. And then look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Oh my god, this is amazing. I really love this. Let me delete that. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna do what? It was gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It exactly came and retest that area. What did I say from that particular area? I said the market was gonna do what? It was gonna come and retest our 0 Fibonacci line. Did it? Look at that. Look at this candle here. This candle came in and target our area. Look at that. I'm telling you. Look at that. It's freaking amazing, isn't it? Freaking amazing. I'm telling you, man. My stuff, the way I do my analysis is amazing. Alright, let's go to an expert. Let's go. We're gonna go ahead and analyze Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. Look at what I said on Sunday. I said the market was gonna do what? I said market was gonna come back and retest our 78 Fibonacci line, mid-0 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It came exactly what I told you. And then I said the market was gonna drop. Perfectly. Perfectly. So far we have only 2 damn trades that went against us. Someone was saying, Frederick, look at this. Look at this. It's freaking amazing. I'm telling you, triple arrow is a beast. If you know how to use it. That's fine. Out of 14, I'm losing only 2. Nothing wrong with that. Alright. Okay, Jimmy. Andrew will answer your question. Alright, cool. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it, brother. Alright, so let's go. So Andrew can do that and I will move on along. So we're not gonna be here so long. I had to pay my contractor anyways. Okay, look at this one. Oh my god, another gorgeous one, guys. Look at this one. Look at this. Is on the New Zealand dollar versus our US dollar. Look at the time frame. This is 4 hours. I said the market was gonna do what? It was gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. Bang! It hit that. But what happened was the market dropped even more. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a beast. Alright. Any question? Master trend bullish on CHF, JPY. Did I already do that? I don't know if it's coming back. All right, so I like how I like how you guys are reading this stuff. Now you guys talking about master trend and so on. But remember, guys, it's not just by looking at the master trend. You need to know all the secret behind scenes, so you can make this more you become a more profitable trader. Because I mean, if you are new here and first time seeing my videos and you want to invest in yourself, do so. If not, keep doing what you're doing best. Look at this one. This one went against us. Fine, that's not a problem. But look at that. Look at who was in charge all the time. So we got 3 so far. That's fine. Look at that. Master trend was what? It was bearish. I don't even know why I say that. But anyway, I should have said it was continuation of the trend. But look at that. My idea was right. Look at that. So my idea was right. Said market was still gonna be bearish. Look at that. You tell me if I make it up as here. Triple arrow will not lie to you guys. Will not lie to you. Alright, let's go to USD versus our Japanese yen. What are you guys doing on this particular pair? Master trend bullish. Okay, I already answered that. That's good. That's good. I like the way how you see things. Mr. Kush. How are you pronounce your name? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Some of us, we got different names. And I don't know how to. Oh my goodness, look at this guy. Look what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. If you wouldn't have your trailing stop, there is no way that this market would have taken you out. There is no way. There's no way. Because the market came in almost exactly what I told you. It would have stopped you out, but it would have stopped you out in what? In profit. Pay attention. How many pips do you think is that? I'm pretty sure it's over 100 pips. If you look at that, 299 damn pips. Gosh, damn it, guys. You missing all these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? Of pips. You tell me, look, I don't do signals. I'm giving you this hundreds and hundreds of pips on analysis. I could charge you for signals, but I don't want to do that. I want to continue being an angel sent by God. Oh my goodness. I love that. I want to continue being an angel sent by God. Freebies make the point. Because I want to make a point here. The triple arrow is a beast. Triple arrow, look at what triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is clearly telling us the market is still bullish. Isn't it? Still bullish. Guess what? This is a temporary bullish market. What do you think it's gonna do this week? This is what the market is gonna do, guys. Now, market is gonna drop down. I'll leave it in there. I'm gonna come back on Sunday. I'm gonna tell you this pair is gonna drop down. Why? Because market is bearish. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. All right. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate that for helping out. I really, really appreciate that. And I know you have become a monster in this stuff. So look at that. All right, let's go to gold. What are you guys doing on gold? Remember, the whole world is panicking. It's panicking. Look, oh my goodness. You tell me if I make this thing up. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Clearly. Look at the time frame 4 hours again. I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. Did it? Look at that. It came. This candle came in and respected. Then what else? I said market was gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. Bingo. Bingo. It performed exactly what I told you. Obviously, it did pay you more, and then it came back and retest that area that I told you. Nothing wrong with that. Now this is fine. Let me see how. Look, remember, we had 3 trades going against us, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades. Out of 11 trades, how many pairs So far it went against us. You hear live only 3. You gonna tell me triple arrow don't work? No. Maybe the way you're doing it does not work. Maybe you need a one-on-one session. If you do, send me a message. I will be more than happy to help you. But triple arrow's a beast. Mr. Pat did a fantastic job. This is one of the best systems in the world. And I stand by it. It is really good, guys. All you gotta do is learn how to use it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and analyze what I told you in the 3 different pairs on the pre-week. We analyzed on the pre-week the AUD USD, GBP USD, and Euro USD. Look at what I told you guys on Australian dollar versus our US dollar. Look at what I said on Sunday. I said on Sunday the market was still a bearish down. It was not fully ready yet for a pullback. Look at that. Market came in and gave us a signal retesting our 38. But market pay us even more than what I told you. You're here to collect these pips. Alright? I mean, that's what you're here for. You ain't here to see the market, just going up and down. That's not your job. And do me one thing, do me a favor, guys. When you are in profit and you want to get out, just grab your money and leave. Go do something with your kids. If you have a girlfriend, take it out, do something. Well, this is not the time to go out, but you can clean the house if you want. Or whatever you want to do. Sometimes you need to put a realistic goal and say, okay, I want to grab 20, 40, 100 pip, 200 pip a day. Be out. Come back the next day. Or do however you want. The way how I do mine is I enter on Mondays, I exit on Fridays. But to be honest, this week I just took only a few trades. I'm not hungry. I'm just learning how all this crap works. Because this is a weird scenario. But look at that. My stop. You know what I'm amazed this week, guys? Is that my analysis is still top notch. Even the market is acting up weird. My stop's still very well performing. Alright. So, and let me know, guys, if you want me to do more videos, I will be more than happy. I just need to know what areas you want me to work on it so I can make video. Maybe we can come back and still do the live one-on-one. So, and we can still help you out. Alright, let me read some of the questions because I'm getting very excited here. Very excited. As you know, I love to talk. I forgot who was the person that it says that we were here talking too much. But we're here to teach you for damn free. Because I can charge you. Alright, pay attention to this one. Actually, let's read the news. The chat one. Kush says, I personally love to trade with the master trend. There you go. Love that. I love to hear that. Let's see what DJ Bell says. Can you show us how to find the master trend? That would take over 1 hour to really go in full concept how to show you that. Because if I start talking about that, guess what is going to happen? A lot of you guys going to be blowing my Telegram, Irvin. But what about this? What about that? No. Invest in yourself. Invest in one-time class. And trust me, you're going to look at the market way different. You're going to be just like, Mr. Andrew. This is not hard. Look at that. My son is only 13 years old. He know how to read this just by him listen when I teach you guys behind scene. Even my 6-year-old daughter know how to read this stuff. I'm not making it up. If I bring her here and I told her, if I ask her a question, you will be amazed that she know maybe more than what you know. It's just because sometimes you have to learn. We all need coaches one way or another. Don't think you can fly when you don't have wings. Alright, so let's go to our GBP versus our US dollar. Look at what I said on Sunday. I clearly said the market was still in a downtrend, was not fully ready, would need more candle, 1 or 3 more candle before that correction. But look at what happened. Market react based on what I told you. Why? Because the trend here is bearish. That's what I said in the beginning. In the beginning, I said that if you trade with the trend, guys, you are gonna be more successful. You're gonna grab hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Does anyone here speak Spanish that don't know this? Also, I can teach you in Spanish. I can teach you in French. Whatever you want. Alright? But this is not, I mean, this is easy, guys. This is damn easy. Alright? So, I don't know who is sending me what, but the people are sending me masses. Alright, let me read some of the news here. Jimmy says, Irvin, is the new program coming out on the new game? Okay, you mean the new triple arrow system? It's almost ready, but it just need a few more touching on it so it can be fully released to you guys. As Mr. Pat said, it's gonna be free for the first 2 licenses. It's gonna be free. If you want to get your 3rd license, it will be a small fee, but I mean, all you need is 1 or 2 licenses. That's it. All right. So, but I mean, it's there. It's there. It's just in a stand mode. So be patient. Be patient. Education pays. Look at what Andrew says. I love his way how to put his stuff. All right. Let's see what Talent says. Can we go back with Euro USD for a bit? Talent, first, before I go back there, tell me what you're doing on Euro USD. Tell me the story. You doing a bullish? You doing a bearish? So the rest of the group can know also exactly what you're looking at it, and we all learn. Actually, I'm coming up to that one. I have not teach that one. So, all right. So triple arrow. So why is bearish? It says Volta 4 hours on daily and US JPY. Triple arrow on USD JPY. No, that one is bearish, dude. It's just doing a small pullback. Right now it's doing a pullback. I'm assuming the pullback is going to be over this week. So we're going to see next week a continuation of the trend on USD JPY. Alright, so hopefully that answered Tomax. Alright, so let's go ahead and give a shout out to Volta. No, that's not it. On Talents. I don't know if I pronounce your name. I have been shorting on Euro USD since Monday with 0.5 lot. Okay, cool. Alright, and Talent says, wonder how far Euro will go. Okay, let me go there because I don't know. So you are selling on this one. Let me take all this crap because this will confuse everyone. Guys, if you guys found the value on this video, do me a favor, please. Make sure you like our video. All these videos are completely free, so we can continue making more videos, okay? And also, thank you so much for doing what do you think I'm gonna be thanking you for? Comment below. This is the only way that I can help you out. Thank you so much, and shout out to Mr. Andrew for helping us out. All right, talents, look at what triple arrow is doing. Look at the time frame. First of all, look at the time frame that I'm using here. I'm using 4 hours. Let me go ahead and highlight it. But pay attention. Hopefully this makes sense. 4 hours. Look at who is in charge. Triple arrow is bearish. You say you are selling. Congratulations. You are selling based on what the triple arrow is doing. But I bet you didn't know that this is a short sell. Why? Because the trend is just making a small correction. But remember, anything can happen. It's retesting our entry area. What do you think it's gonna do next week? In my opinion, what I'm seeing here, in my opinion, we're gonna see hopefully a triple arrow formation in this area. I grabbed the wrong box. I'm looking. Oh gosh, I deleted it again. Alright, forget it. Look at here. I'm looking for a triple arrow formation. But before I say that, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. No, on Saturday. Look at what video I made on Saturday. I said the market was going to come back and retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Look at that. This candle came in exactly what I told you. What else did I say? I said it was going to come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. Look at that. Look at this candle here. Boom. But who was in charge at the end? Bearish, 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 bearish. Bearish was always in charge. Thomas says buy Euro USD next week. I agree with you. I agree with you. Did I answer your question, Talents? Did I answer your question? Isn't the Euro USD forming a double bottom? It's doing what I tell you it's doing. That's what I stand by. I stand by the way how I see the market. I don't know what style do you have, how you do everything, Kush, but this is what I just told you. That's my opinion. I will hopefully see here a triple arrow formation going north. But remember, this week is still gonna be bearish. Probably we're gonna start seeing all this new triple arrow probably on Monday or Tuesday. It has to correct itself in here. Alright. Perfect. Thomas said Volta. Yes, perfect. Alright, so do you guys have any other question, guys? Any other question? Any different particular pair that you want me to go and analyze? That I haven't touched anything here. I could do it. This is the only time you have because I usually don't have time for this. I really don't. Alright. Talent said yes, thanks man. I did what I was put to trend monthly and then go down to the time frame one by one. Good job. Good job, Talents. You were right. I congratulate you on that one. You were absolutely correct. So that's why you made pips out of it. Alright. So but I mean, hey guys, go ahead. Let's go ahead and analyze 3 different pairs. We're gonna start with who's gonna be the first one. Who is gonna be the first one? Let me go ahead and select someone. I don't know if that person must probably still be here. If not, let me go ahead and select Oliver. Oliver, are you here? If you're here, go ahead and drop any pair that you are in, so we all can teach you how to do this stuff. All right, going once, going twice. Okay, anyone else? Before I let you guys go, if there is no pairs, this will be it. I don't even know how many minutes we've been on this stuff. I really don't know. I don't know. Alright guys, so I think that's it. So nobody wants to participate so far, so I'm fine with that. So I want to congratulate everyone. I will be back on Saturday with our pre-week. Make sure you subscribe and like our videos, and then I'm gonna go ahead and analyze our full week analysis, which is gonna be released on Sunday. The only way you're gonna be able to see this is only if you subscribe. Other than that, then I wish you good luck. All right, so thank you guys, and I will see you next week. Enjoy the rest, and please be safe. Okay, take care guys. Bye bye.